I have a planner haul for you. It's basically a sticker haul. And I want to start out by showing you some stuff that my friend Heather, who is Polish and Paper on Instagram, she's been part of the glitter squad for a while, and we've had a great time connecting over planner stuff. She was so kind to me at the very beginning, has answered 8 million questions that I have about the planner world and planner supplies and planner stuff and planner stores and stickers. She's been a wealth of knowledge for me. I am just eternally grateful for her. She sent me the most killer package ever, so I want to start out with that. She sent me, this is from Raspberry Designs, she sent me a bunch of stuff so I could see what kind of different papers people have and like different stores and just kind of like what's out there, because it's really hard to kind of navigate it and figure it out. So like this is a great example of a matte paper, which I love. She sent me, she's so generous. This one from Glam Planner, which is glossy, and of course it's Disney. I mean, give me all of the Disney stuff. This is so cute. I can't wait to use this on a day that I'm gonna just like pop into the park. This girl's really funny. This says a lot about Instagram, but needless to say, some of these other ones will definitely go right into a day of Disney. More from, this is Willow Fields, and same thing, another matte paper, and then some Scribble Prints Co., which apparently is like that first like sticker shop, and then Chic Sticker Boutique. But even like this like is totally coordinated, so I could do a layout with these three, even though they're from 3 different stores, which I thought was like so cool, and just I'm like so excited. But that's not it. It keeps going. And hello, is this not just the most perfect thing for me ever? This is from GP Sticker Studio. I clearly need to look them up because look how great their stickers are. And this is a vinyl, which I love the feel of this. And she sent me her favorite marker. This is the Pilot Ultra Fine Point Permanent for writing on vinyl and writing on these types of stickers. I'll tell you what, I cannot wait. This is definitely going to be a February layout. Oh, I cannot wait to do this. I'm trying to use up any of my layouts that are like winter types or warm and cozy. And then look at this from Willow Fields. This little girl shopping. I love that. She also, she was so beyond thoughtful. She sent me another one of her favorite pens. I think this one, right? Uniball Studio. Uniball Signo. This is, yeah, I think this is from her also. And then this was the best thing ever because I didn't have this. I didn't know about this before, this idea. So she put together this like photo album with like little sticker odds and ends. And then I put some of mine in there already too. But this is so amazing for organizing your stickers because I was like really trying to figure out what the heck to do with like these little sheets that I bought from like Oh Hello Co. I didn't know what to do with them. I didn't know how to store them. And so this was like the perfect idea for me and the perfect way to like store stickers. So this was so amazing that she did that. And then honestly, in fact, it like has inspired me to go out, and I bought 2 of these this weekend at Michael's because they were on sale. They were like $2 a piece. So I bought this guy right here to put some of the little, cutouts, printable cutouts that I have already that are ready to go. And then some of the stuff that I still have to like cut since I hand cut everything. I think I've been out of the screen, sorry. I definitely more and more every day want a cutting machine. And then I got this one because I thought it'd be fun to put in some of the sticker headers that I get. I'm not going to be able to show you, but I did because it's actually in a layout, in next week's layout. I've already done next week's layout. So I used the kit, the Winter Bliss kit, from Wild Summer Designs that goes with this. And I used that entire kit because I did my mini and my classic layout together. Okay, so that was, I think, everything that Heather sent. I mean, it was just like so beautiful and amazing. And I'm such a gifts love language person that it really spoke to me. It was really cool. Then I did place an order from Simply Gilded. This was, I think, before the new year. I placed this order and I got their confetti tape, the black and white with gold foil confetti tape. So cute. And then I got 3 of their micro bows, like the really skinny bows, black, white, and pink with gold bows. And these are the vertical bows. Now I just need to get all the horizontal bows, but I did just place an order, not from Simply Gilded, but from something Simply Paper Co. or something like that for like their bows this past weekend. So really pretty from Simply Gilded. And now I know what these are, journal cards. And I guess that's their little bunny. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Half the stuff I don't know about. Okay, so then the rest of my order from Wild Summer Designs. And actually, I have another order coming from Wild Summer Designs. It should be here in the next couple days. They're really fast. They're print to order. So this looks like ready to order or ready to ship. Sorry, that's the right word. This is a freebie for them. That's cute. It'll be fun for Valentine's Day, Valentine's week. And then I ordered the white rose gold foiled habit trackers. I ordered the gold weekend foil banners, rose gold quarter bow boxes. And then this is from their nude collection. This is Nude 03, their nude pink quarter boxes. I think those are really cute. And then I got the February overlays, like the foil overlays. It's hard to probably even tell what these are, but it goes with the February monthly kit. So I thought I would buy a monthly kit to decorate my monthly layout with. I thought that would be a really fun idea. And I think this was like a crazy deal to also, this I'll put in my weekly. I won't put it in the monthly. I think I'll just use these two mostly, like that right there, for my monthly. And then I'll do some of these like foil overlays. I did order the corresponding weekly layout kit that goes with this because I thought this was so pretty that I thought it would be fun for a week, like for Valentine's week. It wasn't overly heartsy to me. It was just enough and it felt really pretty. And then from Sticker Wish, I got, this is so funny because this is how crazy I was that I forgot that I had bought this very similar kit on the Paper Shack. So this was pretty much my layout from, oh no, I guess it's this week's layout that I'm currently working in. But this does have a lot of different stuff. So I think it'll be fun to do this, you know, later on in the year again. Again. I mean, like it has like the, you know, cute glitter hearts. It's just, it is a lot different. It's a little bit, it's different enough for me that there's a handful of things that are the same, but most of the kit's actually very different. I love these. I've really decided that I'm a date cover person. I like the date covers. So I'm kind of excited about that. But like all of this deco basically is what's on my spread this week. So it's really funny. But I do think for, you know, this spring, it'll be a really cute kit to do. And, you know, I might just leave off some of the, like I think I used this one, maybe that one in my kit. So I'll just change it up enough, but I thought that was really cute from Sticker Wish. And I love this paper. It's matte, but it feels almost like vinyl, but it's not vinyl. Let's see. I can't remember where this was from. This says Viva Planner on it. I don't remember placing an order from Viva Planner, so I don't know if this came with one of the other ones, but they were, maybe it's just from Viva Planner. It was grab bags or like, I don't, like, yeah, like leftovers or grab bags or whatever. And just like, so it wasn't really kits, but I appreciate that she kind of put this in so that I could use these all together. I should move some of this other stuff like out of the way, that like I could certainly, these things coordinate enough. you know, I mean, I don't know. This is from like Chillin' Cafe and Autumn Fairy Tale Kit. This is Autumn Fairy Tale Kit. And I think this might be from the Autumn Fairy Tale Kit as well, because it does really coordinate. She'd be reading a fairy tale. So just some kind of like more fun little odds and ends that I can make do with. And I really, honestly, I wanted these for the date covers. I thought I could make these work with other layouts at some point. So I was into that. And then the other kit that I got, like the mismatch kit or whatever, I don't know, grab bag kit, let's see, let me kind of lay this out. So some work quarter boxes. This is from the watermelon kit, also from the watermelon kit. And I think obviously those will be really fun for the summer. And then it looks like this is from that same kit. It's a double box. So cute. And then Sunny Day double box. I don't know what I would really do with this, to be honest. This looks like it'd be really cute if I put it on some cardstock, laminated it, and turned it into a dashboard. And then I want all of these. Any letters, anything that I can find like this. It's those Mylar balloons. I love those so much. And then some more headers. Those are just matte. I think definitely those will need like a foil over the top of it. And I think this is a freebie from this shop, which is totally cute and really usable. So also fun. These little grab bags are kind of cute. I've been trying to buy everything on when things are on super sale. I did get some stuff, and this just actually came today. I've been waiting to film this, from Nicole Alexia Designs, and this was not really on sale, and I think I thought this would come faster, so I thought I would have this for like last week or the week before. I ordered this before New Year's, so like kind of shortly after Christmas. So hers did take a couple weeks to get to me. That's why I love the Sticker Wish and what is it, the Wild Summer Designs. Those ones come so fast. But this is a warm and cozy kit. This is really cute. And I think I probably am gonna have to save this now for like next winter, because the last week of January is also the first week of February, and this doesn't quite seem right for that, but it's cute, the warm and cozy kit. I probably would have done that differently if I had to do that over again. What I was really on her shop for was this right here, Magical. I don't even have a Disney trip planned. I mean, Disney's in my backyard, so it's not like it's hard to go, but I don't even know when my girlfriend trip is this year. My best friends all come down and we do Disney, but I had to have this rose gold Magical Disney kit. Are you kidding me? It's the cutest. Gosh, I am like fully out of the viewfinder, you guys. I'm so sorry. So, and then it comes with, it's like tracker sheets. And then this is the page that I really haven't quite worked out what to do with these, but that's kind of what I need to work on. But then look at these headers and these like little skinny headers, and then these quarter boxes were so cute. And then these are the date covers that go with that one. And I thought that I got some glitter headers with that, but then I got, so it looks like this is the freebie from her shop, just silver foil, which is cute, like a box, and I mean, just cute stuff. Like I can use all of this. But I did order some things that were on sale on her shop. This is the foiled Celestial headers. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can hear it. It is absolutely pouring outside right now. You can probably hear the garbage truck beeping too, but it is just a downpour. Then this is the cozy silver foil glitter headers. I mean, I'm just dying over these. I think they're so cute. And then this is just a regular Winter Wishes headers. And then I ordered a second set of the I ordered a set of the Warm and Cozy date covers because this was marble, and I thought to myself, I can use that for a lot of different layouts, and for some reason I thought this was like really cheap maybe or something. And then I did order the gold foil sampler pack, which is this, it's this one right here. So I don't really know why I ordered this, other than I just get into this like crazy like blackout, like where I just have to have all the stickers and I don't even know what's going on, and I feel like I'm gonna sell out, and so I have to, it's gonna sell out before I have a chance. I don't know, guys. I mean, so that's everything I want to show you in this particular haul. I'm trying not to haul everything because it's been a little bit crazy. I just, no word of a lie, need to slow my roll now. Like that's going to happen because I need more of the Simply Gilded washi. I'm really trying to get in there, get their subscription box. So hopefully a spot opens up. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have the best week ever. Bye.